Hello, my name is Martin. I'm the co-founder of JumpForce. Today we'll be unboxing the JumpForce Pro 50. When you will see it, you will see it in a box like this. Simply open it up and inside you will see the actual box. Turn it around and pull it out like that. And there you have it, the actual box. The first thing you will see when you open up is the JumpForce Pro. We spent 1.5 years developing this one, so it's 100% waterproof. And it's so strong that you can basically drive it over with your car and it will still work. We kind of made it tank proof. What you see underneath is a tray. If you pull up that tray, you will find the storage bag for the JumpForce Pro and the accessories. The manual, please read this one, it's really important. The smart clamps that you plug into the JumpForce Pro. This will make sure that you can start your car with ease and safely. And the JumpForce Pro also has a fast charging capability. So that basically means that it can recharge in 30 to 45 minutes. It holds charge up to 4 months. And to ensure that you can recharge as fast as possible, we have included a fast charging cable and fast charging adapter so that you can grab a cup of coffee and then recharge it and you're on the go again. This was basically the unboxing of JumpForce Pro. I wish you a wonderful day and talk to you soon. Bye.